guys, welcome to Sipping with Sam. This weekend I just celebrated my birthday and I'm still in the dress up mood. I obviously got a lot of gin as well as gifts and this wonderful cocktail making gift. So I want to combine all of these with my favorite love for gin. I looked it up and it's a very juniper heavy gin which is ideal for martinis, and on their website there were a few suggestions along with some cucumber and mint, and what I'm going to do is a little smash up of that cocktail and a martini. I'm going to make it a little sweeter, which is why I'm in my 007 girl gear. I'm a James Bond girl. So we're going to start off with the cucumber that we're going to cut up and stick into my brand new cocktail shaker thingy. Just chop that up so it can imbibe the delicious cucumbery flavor. Take the lid off of this, stick these in here, and then I have fresh mint from the garden, so we're gonna just take all of those leaves off and pop them in. And be sure to save one for garnish. And then some ice, just to make it freezing cold. Normally you do a martini with vermouth. I have orange liqueur here, which is going to bring up the citrus. And then obviously the pièce de resistance, the Cape Town gin. That is a double. And then we're going to shake it all up. Make sure that lid is on there properly. I want it to go off. So last year I went on a cocktail making course and you have to shake it until you can't hold it anymore. And then because we're not doing the dry olive martini style, I'm going to just garnish it with a sprig of fresh mint. And it's already been shaken, so we can taste it. It's exactly as I suspected. It's sweeter. That juniper is still there, but the cucumber, the mint is very refreshing. I love this. I'm a big fan of this. And these are the martinis that Sipping with Sam will be drinking. Cheers!